Do you think Amazon PPC today is still a keyword auction system, or has it become more of an algorithm intent engine?
I believe that there was always an algorithm behind, and there's always people who are trying to outsmart the algorithm and like, this is how it works. Yet no one even knows how it works, and Amazon is not disclosing it. You have to think that you have a strategic partner in this case. I love to call them partner because they are helping us sell, right? So you have a strategic partner that has lots of money to invest in all these super smart people, and those people are thinking 5 steps ahead. Now, think of it this way. If your question was like keyword auction system, is it now algorithmic based? Is it not? And so on. I believe it always was. I believe right now they are even more sophisticated. So that's why just be humble, understand that you're playing with a big player who has lots of capital and also lots of knowledgeable people to hire. Therefore, don't be cocky, be humble, and understand that you're playing along with a strong A player. You have to become a strong A player as well.
That changes strategy completely, right?